Hello everyone. Today we received one brand item petrol to start vehicle. The customer concern is when we turn on, ignition is turning on, but once we crank, so you can see fuel pump is turning up, but injectors are not working and ignition coils are not working. So now we check for trouble code. So read VIN number. VIN number is read. Press OK. So VIN decoding is happening. So it's a accent or grand return, both are same. It's a petrol. India. Diagonal. Control unit. So engine is not starting, right? So we only checking trouble code in engine. That means engine issue we are communicating. So trouble codes. So there are multiple trouble codes are there. It can ignorable in pending code. So we'll check for this code. So there is a code called immobilizer smarter no response. This is the main code. So it's related to engine ECU and SMK. The immobilizer communication is not happening between these two control units. So we suspecting ECM. So after repair, we'll check it out once. We repair the ECM. So component repair. So I'm closing this door. Now turn on the engine. See, ignition is on and injectors are working. So we check the trouble code. Search for trouble code. Immobilizer smarter. Later the trouble code is not coming up. So starting open. You can see the RPM also. So button on. You can check ESL working also. Yes,